amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chester Mash. Today we're going to be doing a repair on my Street Find LG, because if you've seen with the previous videos of what happened when I found it on the street, blah blah blah, you will know that it had a very slow leak from the back of the water inlet. So what I've got is I'm going to replace the entire solenoid thing, because I think there's some damage on it. So I've got a genuine brand new LG part. So I just take off the cling film. I paid £23 for this genuine part. And there's the details there that you can see. Remove the tape. Got it from eBay. So it kept throwing the code IE, not on every cycle, but on some of them it would. So there's all the wrappings, and there we have the genuine brand new solenoid. Excellent. So I need to, first of all, I'm going to remove, if I get you guys a bit closer, I got you guys a little bit closer, let me remove that. Let's remove this adapter. Now this was all kind of like cross-threaded, which is why I think we had the issues in the beginning, because it was cross-threaded, and I don't know if that's causing an issue. I did remove the filters that were on there. See, this one does have them, but I'm going to leave them in. Now let's disconnect that. Connect them up for now. There. Right, okay, I need little pliers to remove these clips. One. They're not in a really good position. When I put them back, I'll put them in an easier to access position for the future. Tell you what, I think I'll just remove it, it'll be easier. No, I need a proper, let me see if I can do it without the thing on it. No, I'm just going to go get a manual screwdriver. Oh geez. I'm going to see if I get some replacement screws. Oh, actually, they're okay. Oh, you bugger. Right. Now accessing this will be easier, because it was directly underneath. So I'm going to move it to the top. There we go. Now I just need to get these pipes off. going to blow in them just to make sure they're clear, which they are. Now I'm going to put them back on. Let me just put that up so you can see. One. There we go. On. One. Two. There we go. Done. Swapped over. Hey, that's a lot easier now, look. The other one. Where did I put it? Trying to get that on. Got it on easy then, but I think it's because I'd kind of re-threaded it a certain way. But anyway, this one just goes on and gets twisted on, so that's not going to leak, but I'm going to give it just one twist to tighten it up. There we go. Connect the hose up. Give that a quick tighten. There we go. Right, so I think now we should be fine to give it a test. Let me just, I'm going to put the top on and just check the level. Right, okay, I have got it all together, leveled. I want to give it a rinse to test it. Okay, so far so good. I've put it on the rinse and spin. It's filled up to its rinse level. Right, let's see how the rest of this bit goes. Okay, so that's working fine. So the next thing I need to do now is to test it on a full load, just to make sure that everything is fine. So let me go get a load and I'll be back in a sec. So I've got a load of white towels. I've already put the detergent and fabric softener in. So we got we got 6 beach sized towels in there in white, and I'm gonna do a cotton 60 just as it is. I'm gonna do it in time lapse because I just want to see if it works and doesn't stop. So if it does, I'll come back to it. Okay, so it worked. Did have an issue at the beginning, but then I blew down into the pipes again, down where the what do you call it? My brain's mashed now today, it's so hot. The pressure switch, blew down into that again just to make sure if there was anything clunked in it, and it did. It filled and washed absolutely fine. So I've got a load of 60-degree washes, so I'm not going to be filming them or anything. I'm just going to be doing them. So I'm just going to be doing cotton 60s just to get some use out of it and see how we go. But so far so good for a free by the side road find. I'm chuffed for that. So anyway, changed the solenoids and it's working fine. Fingers crossed. I'll keep you updated if there's anything going on, but I'm just going to keep using it now. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.